In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to change your password on Vinted. Whether you want a stronger password or just a fresh start, I'll guide you through the simple steps to update it quickly and securely. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and give us a like. It really helps us create more helpful guides for you. First, open the Vinted app and make sure you're logged into your account. Then, follow these steps. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Once there, tap on Settings, which is often represented by a gear icon. Inside Settings, look for the Account Security or Password option. Select it. Enter your current password for verification. Then, type in your new password and confirm it by typing it again in the provided fields. Tap Save or Update, and your new password will be set. And that's it. You've successfully changed your password on Vinted. Make sure to remember the new password or keep it safe in a password manager. To recap, today we covered how to quickly and easily update your Vinted password through the app. If this guide was helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know if you'd like more security tips like this. And stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.